Hey, welcome to 1 Minute Excel. Tonight we'll take a look at the find formula. It's similar to the search formula example we did last night. The only difference between the two is that the find formula is case sensitive. I do recommend watching that video first to get your bearings, as this will be a much quicker example. So what we'll do in this example data set here is, using the find formula, we're going to try to figure out how many characters in is the goal answers, and in this case the answers we're trying to find are within these square brackets. It's A, B, C and a given number, and being that it's case sensitive, we can actually locate the A in this case every time. So using the find formula, we'll say equals find, open parentheses, open quotation marks, capital A, close quotes, comma. Where do we want to find it? Well, it's going to be in this cell here. I'm going to hit F4 3 times to lock the column so it doesn't shift over. Close parentheses. You see it says it's 16 characters in. If we count it, it'll be 16 right there. And just to demonstrate, if we use the lowercase a, it says now that there's 5 characters in, which we can see is the A here for answer. So it is important to pay attention to case sensitivity. So we'll go ahead and copy that down. And then the beauty of the find and search formulas is you can combine them with other formulas as well. So for example, we could use the mid formula. We could say equals mid, open parentheses, and now we're going to say the texture. We're going to select the cells in the same column, hit F4 3 times to lock it, comma. Start number is how many characters in do you want to start, and we actually want to use the find formula here. So we'll go ahead and select that, F4 3 times to lock it. And how many characters do you want to go over? In this case, let's start with 2, close parentheses, and we can see where we get with the formula. So we can see 2 will get us to ABC, so it looks like it's going to be 5 on all of these, and 6 for this one that has three digits. There we go, copy that down. And this one we'd have to do 6 because it has 3 digits instead of 2. And we could do that and it's fine, but if you had thousands of records here, this could be a little tedious, and you wouldn't want to have to manually eyeball it to figure out which ones have which digits, 1, 2, or 3. So we can make it a little bit more dynamic. And what we'll do is we're going to find the closed bracket here, and then we'll know everything in between. So we can copy this formula over and just change one thing. Let's find the closed bracket. It's 21 characters in, okay, for the first example. So now what we'll do is we'll actually do another mid formula. But instead of saying 5 characters over, I'm going to create a little formula in here that just says the find at the back end minus the find on the front will tell me exactly how many characters each time to go across. And as you can see here, the answers have come through correctly as expected. It's a dynamic formula. If you had thousands of rows, it would work a lot easier. And those are just some benefits to using the find formula. And I also recommend checking out the search formula video. Thanks again for watching.